What if farms could run themselves? No early mornings. No manual labor. Just AI planting, watering, and harvesting crops. It sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. So here's the big question, are farmers about to be replaced? Farmers do more than grow food. They manage land, monitor weather, control pests, and make critical decisions daily. Farming is complex and unpredictable. Do you think a machine can truly understand nature like a farmer does? AI is transforming agriculture. Companies like John Deere and Blue River Technology are developing smart tractors, drones, and AI-powered systems. These technologies can analyze soil, monitor crops, and optimize farming. AI-powered machines can identify weeds and spray only where needed. This reduces chemical use and increases efficiency. If AI can farm more efficiently, will traditional farming survive? AI has major advantages. It works 24/7, improves efficiency, and reduces waste. It can analyze weather, soil, and crop data instantly. But AI has limitations. Farming depends on unpredictable factors, weather, pests, and natural conditions. AI struggles with uncertainty and extreme changes. In real-world scenarios, like sudden droughts or crop diseases, human farmers are still essential. These situations require experience, intuition, and quick decisions. Can AI react to nature as quickly as a human farmer? Farmers bring deep knowledge, adaptability, and connection to the land. They understand patterns that machines might miss. They don't just follow data, they interpret nature. The future isn't AI replacing farmers, it's collaboration. AI will handle data analysis and automation. Farmers will make decisions and manage complex situations. So what do you think, will farms run themselves, or will humans always be needed? AI can build faster. But it can't replace human skill. Construction is about more than machines, it's about people. So the real question is, will workers adapt, or be replaced? Subscribe for more videos on AI and the future of jobs. Watch out for our exciting episode on 5 AI skills farmers must acquire in 2026 to shock-proof their career against AI. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories. Infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.